Hey everybody, Captain Danny here. I know it's been a while since I made any videos. I'm sorry. My computer crashed and I lost all the data on it, including my program for editing. So this is coming straight shot, unedited, right into the computer and straight to YouTube. Caught the biggest redfish of my life 2 nights ago, just on the other side of the river. Went over there and pow! I mean, this thing fought for 5 minutes. Caught him on a planer bobber and some live shad. There were just thousands of shad over there. Schools everywhere. I mean, just as far as the eye could see. Water boiling with fish. Funny thing is, I only hooked one, but you know, it turned out to be the biggest red of my life. I'd say he come pretty close to pushing 40 inches. And, you know, unfortunately, it was pitch black out there. There's no way I can video anything in that. And when I tried to hoist him up into the boat, I managed to get half of him up out of the water. And I was trying to grab him and lip him, you know. I managed to just touch him, and I had him lifted out of the water so much he snapped the line. I had a 25 or 30 pound test on there. He busted it. I mean, that's a big fish. I never seen a red that big, nor have I ever caught one. So maybe the conservation is helping. When you get bull reds of that size, it's pretty incredible. At any rate, I'm going to head back over there in a day or two. I need to restock the Cindy Mae and get some food. Lots of food. It's only about 20 minutes, about 2 miles, just right on the other side of the river. That's the place where me and my buddy filmed that giant catfish that he caught with the planer bobber. If you want a planer bobber, you can get them at planerbobber.com or bitofsense.com. I would really suggest that you use them for drift fishing and mostly shallow water. Or rivers, and they stand out really well. But again, like I said, my computer crashed. I lost all the video software programming that I have, and kind of low on cash, so it'll be till near the end of the month before I can get another program and load it on there. But I'll start, you know, loading these like this. It'll just be straight, no editing. Hopefully go out and catch some more of those big reds. I didn't even know there were reds that size here in the river. I've heard they get way up into the fresh water, and we have caught a few of them on the other side of the river there. So hopefully we can catch some more. Let's have a look here where we are, if you wish. We're on the world famous Cindy Mae. Nice place to live, right? Cheap, $12 a foot. Alright, well, I'm going to end this here, and hopefully everybody can, if they haven't already, click that bell. Well, first you got to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It helps. Comment. I love the comments. I try to answer them all if they're not just, you know, insanely stupid. And I even answer some of those too. But I love all the people that watch this, and I appreciate it. I'm still under the shadow ban from YouTube. I don't get many views, which is really strange when you got 17,000 subscribers. So they've demonetized most all my videos, especially all my top videos. That's their plan, you know, to censor the conservative and comedians like me that make funny videos of Obama and Hillary. Boy, they don't like that. Ooh. But you know, to me it's just a funny video, gosh sake. I took all my dog fart videos and demonetized them. What are you gonna do? But at any rate, we're gonna get out, we're gonna do some more fishing, and I'm gonna get some of those big reds. I'm telling you what, the river's just full of shad, and I got a cast net. I'm gonna whoop them out of there. I'm gonna fish them live. I'm gonna bring it to you because I'm way out here fishing in the sticks, so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and we'll end it. Like I said, got no editing equipment.